स्वागत है आप सभी का। मैं हूं साहिल खान और आप देख रहे हैं साहिल की डायरी। देखिए, इस मेरे बगल में एक बच्ची है, इन्होंने इंटर पास किया। पूछेंगे कि इनका सब्जेक्ट क्या था, कौन सा बोर्ड था। क्या नाम बेटा आपका?
My name is Ritamra. I study in the CISC board. I was in the class 12th batch, so I gave the ISC exam, and of the best of 4, I got 97.75%.
कहाँ से आपने पास किया है?
I studied in St. Thomas School, Nedula, here in Khalilabad, Sant Kabirnagar.
जिला टॉप किया आपने?
This was the only school here in my district for the CISC board, so I topped my school and my district.
सोच क्या थी आपकी?
I, for regarding the board exams or regarding the future aim,
एम क्या था आपका? फ्यूचर क्या?
I plan to pursue MBBS degree and become a doctor.
डॉक्टर ही क्यों?
I like the profession. There is a lot to learn, and you can continue learning throughout your life. You will get to learn a lot of new things. You will get to invest your time in research, new findings, and help the people along the way.
लगता है कि डॉक्टर बनने के बाद लोग ज्यादा पैसा कमाते हैं।
I don't plan to join any private institutions or open a private clinic of my own. After my that's undergraduate of MBBS after NEET UG, I plan to pursue NEET PG and get a PG degree and join the institution where I will study. My dream is to either go to AIIMS Delhi or JIPMER because they are at the top of their field here in India. In facilities they provide, they do not include any bonds here, so I won't have to wait to pursue my PG after MBBS for a long time. And they provide this degrees, the education at a very low price that is very affordable to our like middle class families. If I get my top priority is like radiology, but that is only given to like the top scorers of PG. So if I don't get radiology, I won't be too upset. I also like Master of Surgery, MD, and a lot of other things. So I will go for them, and after a few years, I'm into them, and I'm like study with the atmosphere there. I'll go for PG again and just see if I can get radiology. I want to join the institute itself for residency, and after that I want to just go for professorship at that same institute.
जैसे आपने जिला टॉप किया, आप ऑलराउंडर बनना चाहती हैं?
No, I plan to be like fixed in my in my doctors, that the aim, my aim. I want to be steady towards my aim.
इतने बच्चों में आपने जिला टॉप किया, लोगों को क्या कहना चाहेंगे बाकी बच्चों के जो आप स्कूल के थे?
I don't want to say anything to them. I have already said what I wanted to tell them. But I think I topped here.
तुम्हारी जो फ्रेंड है, कुछ जलन नहीं हुआ किसको?
I don't think if your friends are jealous of you, I don't think they're your friends. I think my friend group which was intimate with me, all of them are actually just after me itself. I don't think they are jealous. I think they would feel proud of me right now.
विश किया था क्या उसने?
Yeah, many of them wished me, and like they were I have another friend who is just at the second position. I was sure that she would be topper and not me, so I was not like waiting for congratulations or anything. I firstly asked her how much she got, and she congratulated me in there itself because like they got to know that I was first here.
आप संतावन पढ़ती हैं, प्राइवेट स्कूल और सरकारी में कितना अंतर होता है?
Many government schools may also match a private institute, but I think the two major differences might be, if you're not referring to CBSE schools and like pure governmental schools, the mode of education. While the government schools are recently becoming that privatized and English is being used, in most of them Hindi is still the medium, while in like ICSE board or CISE board, where that's ICSE and ISE exams are held, English is the main medium. And the second might be maybe teachers are not available as good as here.
स्कूल से आने के बाद अलग से आप क्लास करती थी?
I did not do coachings. I used to self study.
अच्छा, जो कोचिंग चलाते हैं इनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I don't want to say anything about them. A lot of students need coachings, maybe because their teachers are not as good or as attentive to them, or maybe because they need the additional attention. So I don't think we should criticize any coachings in that matter. But I think if coachings are trying to just earn money and lure children, that is not a good aim. Education, you should not put a cost on education. Yeah, I understand that they might need the money, but luring children with false claims is bad. If your any coaching does that, that is bad. But I don't think coachings are bad.
मैंने देखा है स्कूल के जस्ट बगल में स्कूल जब खुलता है तो स्कूल के बच्चे ही ट्यूशन पढ़ के सीधा स्कूल में घुसते हैं, कहाँ तक सही है ये?
Uh,
तो
I
वही
don't-
लोग बगल में पढ़ते हैं ट्यूशन, फिर जाके स्कूल में, तो इसका मतलब पढ़ाई क्या?
many students do get tuitions, maybe because they don't understand with the method a teacher is using. But I don't think it is wrong or right. I think it is like a middle ground. If you need the coaching and extra attention, you should opt for it. It's not bad, but I think the coaching should run maybe after school, because before school, if a child attends coaching, he might not be as attentive in class as he might have been. He or she might have been if they had not done like morning coachings. Afternoon coachings or evening coachings are still better.
अच्छा, देखा गया कि जब बच्चे घर पे आते हैं, मान लीजिए कि आपका 97 आया, किसी का 95 आ गया, तो उनके पेरेंट्स जो डांटते हैं उनको, क्या ये सही है?
I don't think parents should like scold the child for achieving like 95. 95 is still great. I don't think any parent should scold the child. Parents are like the primary caregivers to the children, and if they scold him or her at achieving results, then he or she might like have a negative mindset, and if the parents are only loving the child for his or her achievements, I don't think that's good parenting. The parents should that support the word, and they should motivate him or her like to go further in the future. There are always improvement exams. If you are scoring anywhere mid like 70s 60s, then there's always an improvement exam for you. And if you are failing, you should not get demotivated. There's always the compartment exam. Set your eyes on the aim. The tortoise and the race, the tortoise won the race, and slow and steady wins the race. Don't look at your present situation. Look at where you want to be. Set your aim and work for it.
एक सवाल और आपसे, क्यों आप डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हैं? देखा कि प्राइवेट जो डॉक्टर जो दवा लिखते हैं, अपने अपने बैठते हैं पर्चे पर, वो जो हाँ डॉक्टर बैठते हैं, दवा उनकी प्राइवेट वही मिलती है, ऐसा क्यों, क्या कारण है?
Maybe they are colluding with a certain pharmaceutical brand and selling that medicine. They might be in it for the money. I believe that they should not give any brand names. They should just write the salt's name. And the people can buy it either at generic medicine or branded one, which they might be more familiar with. And sometimes certain medicine works better for some people, branded or generic. It does not matter. Effects matter. The medicine should be effective, and I don't think it matters if it is branded or general.
हाँ, क्योंकि लिखते हैं वो ब्रांड नाम से लिखते हैं, तो दवा वहीं मिलेगी, क्यों जेनिक लिखे तो हर जगह मिल जाएगी, तो उनका परसेंटेज भी नहीं बनेगा उनका।
That is the matter, but I think if you are a doctor, then your primary goal should be the health of your patients, not the money or side hustle, which you are colluding with pharmaceuticals. Writing salt's generic name, or like the salt's name itself, is a better indicator of your qualities. That the patients put trust in you and faith in you. You should not cheat them out of money for that.
सरकार का आदेश भी है कि दवा अगर कोई भी डॉक्टर प्राइवेट लिखें तो जेनरिक नेम से लिखें, क्योंकि मरीज कहीं भी ले सकता है। क्योंकि जो गरीब आदमी है, मान लीजिए डॉक्टर के पास आते हैं, उन्होंने 1200 रुपये दवा ली, तो उनके पास मिलेगा, कहीं मिलेगा नहीं। जेनरिक नेम ले कहीं ले लेंगे वो दवा।
Yeah, that is the matter. That is itself what I said. That's cheating a patient's money out of them is not a good quality in a doctor. Write the salt's name. The patient can buy the medicine at either the generic store or brand store. That is their like matter. Generic. Most people would prefer generic itself, and a certain name might only be used if it is extremely suitable for a certain patient.
जो बच्चे आपसे कम अंक लेके आए हैं, उनके लिए क्या करना चाहेंगे? अगली बार आपसे भी आगे निकल जाएंगे।
Next time, how much are we talking about? They are less than me in 12th. I think they are already cleared. But if you are unsatisfied with your scores, if you have failed, then set your eyes on the compartment exam that is about to happen in like a month or two. Set your eyes on that. Get a pass certificate. That is of the utmost importance. And if you are unsatisfied with your scores, if they are high, above 80, don't worry about them at all, yaar. 75, 80, that are very good scores. Don't worry about that. If you are really unsatisfied, then file for your improvement exams. Set your eyes improvement exams and give them next year.
अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाएंगे सुथमन से? अब
I want to I want to join a coaching institute because my physics is unsatisfactory at an unsatisfactory level currently for NEET exam.
नीट, थैंक यू। आपकी बहन जो है 97 पाई है, क्या करना चाहेंगे इनके लिए?
हम पहले तो हम उनको बहुत बहुत बधाई देना चाहेंगे और उनकी मेहनत को देखते हुए वो डिजर्व करती हैं।
तो कह रहे हैं डॉक्टर हम बनेंगे,
उनकी इच्छा है, वो इंटरेस्टेड है उसमें।
ऑपरेशन करेंगे सबका,
हाँ, वो जो भी करना चाहे उनके लिए।
पैसा कमाने के लिए, सेवा करने के लिए?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता वो पैसा कमाने के लिए करेंगे, मुझे लगता है वो सबकी सेवा करने के लिए करना चाहेंगे, जैसा कि उन्होंने बताया भी।
ठीक है, लेकिन इनके पापा हैं, क्या नाम का?
मेरा नाम रामभजन यादव, मैं सिंचाई विभाग में नलकूप चालक के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ और सिंचाई संघ का मैं जिलाध्यक्ष हूँ, साथ ही राज्य कर्मचारी संयुक्त परिषद का भी जिलाध्यक्ष हूँ।
बिटिया ने बड़ा काम किया है आपके जैसे।
हाँ, निश्चित रूप से उसका जो एम है उस दिशा में वो अग्रसर है और वो उसका मेहनत है जो साफ दिख रहा है।
सोच बड़ी है, डॉक्टर बनना चाहती है?
निश्चित रूप से डॉक्टर बनना चाहती है और सोच बड़ी है और ऐसे फील्ड में वो रह करके उसे भौतिकवाद है वो छू नहीं पा रहा है और वो अपना एम डिसाइड कर रही है और ऐसे जगह पर जाना चाहती है जहां उसे लगातार जीवन भर पढ़ने का और कुछ समाज को देने का अवसर मिलता रहे। जी,
तो बाकी लोग क्या करना चाहेंगे?
बाकी लोगों के लिए हमारी यही शुभकामनाएं हैं और वो लोग भी इससे सीख लें और इसी तरह से आगे बढ़ें, पढ़ें, आगे बढ़ें।
बिल्कुल, तो ये बच्ची थी, देखिए एक बड़ी बात है और हौसला बड़ा है, डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हैं और कहती हैं कि मेहनत कीजिए, बाकी लोग निराश नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि कहते हैं ना, मेहनत करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। अभी के लिए बस इतना ही। आप देखते रहिए साहिल डायरी के साथ। नमस्कार।